I love this developer because they didn't cheap out on the interiors. Even though I have lots of stuff in here from broker parties, one of the most cool things that I think that this developer did in the kitchen was they put a beautiful paneling in the back here so that when you open this, the kitchen cabinets are as aesthetically nice on the inside as they are on the outside, including little covers for the holes. You've got Lazy Susan in here. You have one on this side too. Integrated dishwasher. Fully vented out hood that has a layer of skim coat on it for aesthetics. And probably one of the last remaining gas stoves that you'll see in new development. And they also included a 36-inch fridge versus a 30-inch fridge. We've got tons of space in here, even though it's an efficiently sized apartment.